The noise level is really loud. The music is so loud that the group next to us is yelling. It's ruining our dinner.
I'm so sorry to hear that. I completely understand how that can be frustrating. I can ask the staff now to
Honestly, it's not just the music. That group has been shouting this whole entire time, and it's just too much. You don't do anything about it.
I try not to interfere with the place unless it becomes a major disturbance, but I'll see if politely
This is a major disturbance. We barely had a moment of peace. Can we just move to a private place?
I understand, but at the moment we're quite full. I'll check the levels to see if anything is happening.
That's really not good enough. We made a reservation expecting a decent experience. This is not working.
I apologize again. Can you pick the manager? So we can find a better solution. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
There's a problem in the restaurant area.
What's going on?
The customers complain about the noise levels being so high. So may you please come and assist me with finding solutions for them?
Okay, I'll deal with it. For now, just lower the music down.
Okay, we'll do so. Thank you.
Okay. Good evening, I'm your manager. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience caused. Let me see how I can fix this. We've been trying to be patient, but it's all too loud and we're not enjoying ourselves. I'm so sorry to hear that. We've already lowered down the music and I'm going to talk to the group to lower down their voice. I've also just opened up a quieter spot for you. If you'd like to go to that, that's much better. Thank you for stepping
I guess the phone is still freaking.
Good evening, I'm the manager. I hope you're enjoying your time. I'm so sorry, but there's a bit of complaints about the voice, and I was just hoping if you could just lower down your voice just a little bit. I'm so sorry, thank you.
Oh, I can move right now. Thank you again for your patience.
Okay, we're happy with that. Thank you.
Good evening, I'm your manager. I hope you're having an
Hello, ma'am. In the restaurant area,
What's going on?
there's a customer complaining about noise levels being so high.
Good evening, I'm your manager. I hope you're enjoying your time.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars, and let me see what spring is like on